within Jamaica to be able to take and turn that into a mining license, so we can kind of take the sand that's there and be able to concentrate it in order to a sellable form that we can get these elements out.
Yeah, and so that will take place over the next 3 to 6 months type thing. Is it that type of work, or is this
Our goal is, yes, our goal is to wrap up that permit later this year so that we can start production next year and start concentrating these elements and start selling the rare earth elements.
Okay. We've obviously seen some turnaround in the markets as far as prices are concerned and all that. Where you sit now with your portfolio, are you pretty excited about the next 3-6 months to a year or so, Thomas, with what you have in your portfolio now?
Yeah, absolutely. So basically, as I mentioned earlier, we are looking at a lot of resources and we do a lot of different types. We're not siloed, but one thing that we're particularly excited about is that because of the recent attention on rare earth elements, we have been formulating a complete supply chain of being able to get the resource to concentration to refine